My name is Jesse Owsley, and I'm a project manager for Southern Supply, which is a set of distribution companies and manufacturing companies based out of Springfield, Missouri. Prior to Informer, there were a variety of tools that we used, but most of those tools were specific to the platform that they were part of. Really, our biggest challenge was that we had multiple tools that were specific to each platform. In some cases, we had platforms that didn't have any kind of native reporting capability, so the reporting was manual. But beyond that, the reporting was specific to each platform, so there was not a single source that we could go to report across these different data sources and between those as well. What I was hoping to accomplish with a new reporting and data analysis solution, it really changed over time, but initially I was looking for a way to do some real-time alerting on some production kind of activities that were going on throughout the day, and I needed to have up to the minute kind of reporting relative to certain business flows. And we accomplished that. When I was looking at BI tools specific to a number of use cases I had at the moment, I needed something that was agile and something that was self-service and something that I felt like I could take without a whole lot of training and connect up to various data sources and do the reporting I needed to do without having to rely on consulting services. Nothing against consulting services, but I needed to be able to do this myself. And when I was talking with various BI providers, Intrinsic answer to the questions were of, how do I connect this? Can I do all this stuff myself? The answers that I got from Intrinsic were, I'll tell you what, let us set it up and you can see for yourself. Connect up to any data source you want. Here's how you do it and go. And so we were able to do that without a whole lot of training or any lead time. So installed a server and started connecting to data sources and started reporting. So it was as agile as what I'd really hoped it would be. And that was the reason we chose it, and that's the experience we had. Informer has really done the job that we initially expected it to do, to be able to connect to various data sources, to be able to refresh queries and refresh data sets on the time span that we needed and the frequencies that we need that. I mean, some things we only need to see once a day, but there are a lot of things that we need to keep track of up to the minute. And one of the strengths of Informer and one thing that was really important to us was to be able to do that. And so that ability to schedule those refreshes for these various data sources as needed was super important. I don't remember what the tagline was. It was installs in minute, deploys in hours or something. But our experience in installing Informer was exactly as advertised. We spun up a server. Informer helped us install the software, and we had an introductory lesson via telephone, and then we were going. Literally within the first 8 hours, I was using the same, I had the report that I first needed and was looking for Informer for in production within 8 hours.